This is Science Mentor. In this lesson, you will learn how to compare two lists using conditional formatting in Excel. Comparing two lists in Excel allows you to determine the differences between two sets of data. One helpful feature of Excel is the ability to compare data sets and find the differences between them. By learning how to compare lists in Excel, you can often conduct processes like data validation much faster. First, select the range C2 to C15 and name it list 1. Then select the range D2 to D15 and name it list 2. Next, select the range C2 to C15. On the Home tab, in the Styles group, click Conditional Formatting, then click New Rule. Select the Use a Formula to determine which cells to format option in the following menu, which is underneath the Select a Rule Type heading. Write the formula equal CONTIF list 2 C2 equals 0. In the Edit the Rule Description section, which checks whether the value in cell C2 exists in range list 2. In the Formatting section, I select red color to fill cells that are in the result. As you can see, there are 3 names that are in the second list. Do the same for the next list. To highlight the teams in the second list that are not in the first list, select the range D2 equal D15. Create a new rule using the formula CONTIF list 1 D2 equals 0. And set the format to green fill. Finally, you can see the result. Thank you for liking this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for the latest videos.